crucial role in combating climate change, providing shelter for wildlife, and purifying the air we breathe.
I know many times I've been here before. It's a pattern. So don't, 'cause I can't pretend anymore.
We arrived here.
What does it matter?
We are here today to plant hope one tree at a time. Because planting trees isn't just about the environment, it's about securing a better future for all of us.
Now you're not around. What do I do? It's like my time's running out. I'm broken and bruised, and maybe it's a blessing. I got nothing to lose, but it's wearing me down. It's wearing me down. Now you're gone, what do I do?
Hi guys! Got me karon ng mga sagot to clean the surroundings of the tree garden. We can't do it alone. Every effort counts. Let's all contribute to making the earth a greener place to live. Together, we can make a difference.
Now you're not around. What do I do? It's like my time's running out. I'm broken and bruised, and